This tutorial is to show you how to make 3D sculptures using cardboard or paper. Today's technique is to show you how to make flanges. Flanges helps you make 3D sculptures with curved objects like cylinders. The materials that you're going to need is a paper towel roll or tissue roll, a small paper surface or a big paper surface, or a cardboard surface. You will need some scissors, glue, or a staple. First step is to have your cardboard roll and your scissors. I'm going to use my scissors to make small slits, and a slit is a little cut that allows you to bend the cardboard. When you have a cardboard that's really thick, it's always best to use the back of your scissors to make your cut, and cut slowly so you won't cut through it. So I made my first slit. I'm going to continue to cut right next to each other, not too close, but not too far away. And I'm going to go all the way around the circular surface. Alright, so I'm back at the beginning. I've cut all the way around. And now I'm going to go to the third step, which is to bend back each individual space. Just like that. So I'm going to go all the way around, bending back the spaces. Alright, so I've bent back all the spaces. I had my little slits in between, and those slits allowed me to bend things back, bend the cardboard back. Now I could apply the flanges onto a flat surface, just like this. I'm going to use my glue, and I'm going to use staples to help me to secure it down onto my paper surface. Alright, now my cardboard is securely onto my paper surface. I can move it around, and I can add more things to it if I want to.